What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Per usual, got to get out of this clothes real quick and get right into this caranddriver car dash cam install. Alright, here's Rocky. First things first, I've been trying to train him to fetch this frisbee and bring it back to me, so let's see if it's been working. Cookie! Come here. Come here, sit. You gotta bring it here. No, frisbee, with the frisbee. Come here. Come here. Oh boy, sit. Here you go. Go, but what do you got on your face? No, I gotta throw it. No, come back. Ready? Rocky, sit. Good boy. Are you gonna give me a paw? Paw? Good boy. Other paw? Good boy. Other paw? No, that's down. No. Alright. You get a treat for being cute. Alright guys, so I got a little excited and opened it already, but it's pretty much the box instructions. So it comes with its own little suction cup here. You plug this into the little cigarette lighter for the power. Here is the camera, caranddriver. Now this thing's probably like $20 or $30, nothing too expensive. Just want to test it out, see how it is before I buy something more expensive. It already comes with its own memory card or SD card, and it comes with 8 gigs. I'll see what this is for. It's probably just to transfer data, stuff on the memory card or whatever. So we'll set this all up and see how it looks. All right, well, first things first, shout out to my girlfriend for getting me this for my birthday. I'm gonna be putting it up right there, right now. Look what I just put up.
Oh, nice, I got you that.
You got me that, yeah. I was recording it and I shouted you out for being my girlfriend. Yeah, she's my girlfriend.
Come boy, this is my real boyfriend. Yeah, Bobo, come here, Bobo.
Alright, get out of here. Subaru only. Step one's pretty easy. You're just gonna attach the camera here to the little suction cup mount. And next, we're gonna select where we wanna mount this. I'm gonna see how high. I wanna add the way. I wanna put it right here for now, and we'll see how I like it. All right, it's snug. Oh, you can also swivel this around whichever direction you want as well. So I looked this up in the instructions. This USB cable is pretty much just for your computer to load any of the videos on your computer if you want, so I don't need this right now. So the camera does come with a rechargeable battery. I gotta charge the battery right now. I could have either used the USB or this. I'm just gonna charge it in my car right now. Now the memory card's already in the camera, so you don't have to put that in. You can get a bigger size if you want. It's one of the smaller SD cards, so if you wanna buy a bigger size, you can. Size is in like more than 8 gigs, which is what it comes with. You can buy another one. It's just a very small SD card. Well, I guess this is what happens when you get cheap things. This charger is not working. I even have the car on. I have it plugged in there and it's supposed to light up right here. It's not. So I'm gonna try to charge it with my computer and I'll be back. So I ended up just plugging it into the wall because the other charger for the car wasn't working. And there it is. So it's focusing right there, but that's the quality of it. So I'll let it go ahead fully charge and then we'll hang it back up and go take it for a ride, see how it looks. It is dark out, so we'll do the dark setting now, and I guess tomorrow morning I'll see what it looks like during the day. Alright, so right now the camera is all set up. I have it charging in the wall. I set the date on the bottom and the different modes. So right now I'm in camera mode. As you can see, it's in 1080. I have it on daylight time and it looks like the battery is fully charged. So if I go to here, on the bottom here is the modes. I could change the mode. That right there is picture mode. I can hit OK and it'll take a picture. And let's go to different mode. This is recording if you just want to get a recording of something. And this is the playback screen, which is the picture I just took right there. And then we're back to camera in 1080p. So now if you hit OK, it'll start recording. So I'm testing it out right now while it's plugged in, since it won't stay alive while it's unplugged, just to give you some video footage to see what it kind of looks like. This is the daytime setting. Of course, there's light in the garage. Alright, so now I have it in night mode, so I'm going to turn the light off and see how it looks. I don't see anything. So a little light pops up on the front. I don't see anything. Alright, so we'll stop the recording right here, and then we can go back to the different modes, and we'll go back to the playback mode, which is right here, and you can scroll up. So there's the picture. This is the video I just took. You hit OK, it'll start playing that video. And not sure if you can hear it, but it is playing some sound out of it, which is very low. So now here you can go to the menu, and here are all your settings. So I have it set to 1080. You could do 1080 or 720 or VGA. Go back, your timestamp, which I have on, so it shows what time it is on the video. Motion detect, so I have that on off. You could turn it on, and of course if something walks by, it'll automatically turn on. You can check your video time. I have it set to 5 minutes. Voice record, of course I want that on so it hears everything. Hit menu again, it's going to go over to the setup tab. If you want to format your SD card, let's go there, yeah. Format your SD card, language English. Automatically turns off after 5 minutes. You could change that to whatever you want. Right here, oh, the light frequency is at 60 Hertz. And then your data input version, blah, blah, blah. So those are pretty much the settings for the camera. Oh, you see it's starting to record because it detected motion. You see that little symbol right there? So motion detection zone. So I'm turning it off. What else is there? Different modes. So on your camera mode, you have up to 3 megapixels, up to 3. And what's odd is that on the side of the box, it actually says that it goes up to 5. So I don't know if that's a lie or how to get that 5, but I don't see 5 there in the options. And then what else do we have? And then just your recording. There's no menu for your recording. So that's pretty much it. That's the camera and all the functions that it has. So charging it right there, the power button's right here. Oop. So this is the SD card right here, that's where you put it in. This is your power button. Also with your power button, right now I have it on daytime mode, meaning light. You can put it on night mode, which is a little moon there, just by clicking this power button. And to turn it off, of course, you would just hold it and it turns off. Okay, so now that the battery's fully charged, I should be able to unplug it. And now we can use it without that. And my battery, did it just die? What is up with batteries dying on me lately? My car battery died, this battery died. All right, I'm trying to turn it back on. It turned off. So it shows I have a full battery, and then stop recording, don't record. Now it looks like my battery's low when I literally just charged it to full. And it died. Okay. Alright guys, well that was embarrassing. I guess I got a defective dash cam. The battery wasn't holding charge when I was trying to unplug it. It would just die right away. But the features on the camera looked like they were working. Everything was working. Something wrong with the battery, and that cigarette lighter charger was not working as well. So I must have got a defective one. I'll try to return it. At this point, I don't think I'm gonna go with another cheap one. I'm looking at the Blackview. I think it's a DR900S. A higher end one. This one's more like a little over $300, whereas this one was like $30. Also, the quality on this camera, when I moved it to my computer and played it, it did not look good at all. I don't know what it would pick up, if it did pick up anything. I can't imagine it gets a license plate or anything. The quality really wasn't that great. So I would not recommend getting this to anyone. Working. Sorry that this video was a fail, but if you enjoyed it and found it informational, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.